Dirty bad mind, but me do you so. Be a negative, you just.
Please, what do I need? Please, subscribe to this channel. Please, I beg in the name of God.
This is Tony Curtis, representative for Sick Up Your Music, the real music, you hear me? Big up on yourself, Sick Up Your, I go around the world. Blessed love, Tony Curtis has said that. Rolling, poof!
Yo, Sick Up Your. Yo, no, we are clean and pure.
Exactly, in a home.
But
So that's why we as parents need to back up what some of them are doing.
Exactly. You can say that.
But if your parents call your brother at home, you will know so you have to go out and go call other people brother too. So it can be one brother love. And no matter if say your parents call your brother, why hard feelings to your parents call your brother?
Little baby,
Yeah.
you call, you listen me, you see this me important, let me tell you this now, you me a talk to.
Yeah.
You see this me important to you, anyway, and you shout me, my name is Johnny, sir, Johnny. Johnny.
As somebody all have to call out for your name.
Johnny.
Hold on. No, I'm saying, if you see me on the show
Yeah,
me.
look, somebody be advertising.
Oh, me I say, if you see me on the road and you go shout me, no call me now, brother, my name is Johnny.
Well,
Miss Johnny.
You not go get that by me. You not go get that by me. Advertisement.
Johnny.
Well, you don't have to call to me.
Me not
You don't have
advertise
to
you.
shout to me.
not
You pass and go your ways.
Yeah, man.
Exactly.
So Johnny, if you have a problem with a parent,
me don't have a problem.
Hold on, man, you talk too much, let me talk now. If you have a problem with a parent, I call him, I refer to him youth as brother, do this. How many parents today, especially these young parents, do you ever listen, live in the ghetto era and hear all these young parents call them picky? Hey, dirty boy, picky head girl, Jankro. It's better. Brother is a friend. The word. You shouldn't have a problem with that. Even if a parents call him refer to you, especially in these times here nowadays.
But look here.
We should honor that and embrace that.
What it
Your parents not call nobody no brother, you know. I'm not call by your name, you know. Because you were brought up them way there, you know. So we're not just fuck, we're not just
Yeah, we're talking about young parents who are inexperienced.
To me, a young parents
Yeah,
matter.
we're talking about young parents who are
What me I
inexperienced.
say? What me I say? This is it. You bring up this argument.
Yeah.
What it do to what you see is a problem when a young parent said to him, you would say, brother, make you go. What is the problem?
With me.
Brother, where did that so
What the
long?
problem? What kind of
Yeah.
problem after him say, brother? The parents say, brother.
No,
Why?
I think to how most kids grow up nowadays with these young parents, I think it creates a problem. Because, I mean, I talk about from experience, but that's what people say.
Yeah.
I think it creates a problem.
Like?
Because calling your daughter, your 9-year-old daughter, you send him out and say, where you was so long? And you go, I say, brother, where you so long? It's like, yeah, your daughter, your 9-year-old
One
son.
size, that's it.
But I say a companion.
Alright,
Size.
alright.
No, when you go to the road, the same youth them now. I talk to your daughter. And I say, brother, Ray. The mothers call your daughter, your son by name. Because no brother business.
Alright, hear me answer now. Alright, take time off, hear me answer now.
I want you to
Alright, hear me answer now. Take time out to listen this. You see, in them days,
Me no matter what I want to say.
Alright, me hear you.
Because of that, I fuck up the whole system.
No,
hear you, man.
lie you a tell. Lie you a tell. I may tell you why you lie you a tell. Me just never tell you about the argument, Johnny. Me say this little girl, me tell you, there is no party when I miss her. Listen good. So me assure you say,
Especially Johnny.
no matter
Johnny
two
want me
years
to talk
one
about
word or them thing there, it no make a difference. There is this little girl, no party no miss her, and she depend her head everywhere skin out a party. And me tell you this, look here. You see when that same little girl left school, me tell you, I saw some big people have to stand up down a country. I look on the amount of subject or something what the little girl come out with. So not you nobody call them parents, them little kids, brother, and I do this, it not change nothing.
Alright, we can have a talk now. Hear me and say. Hear me and say. See, we're living in a modern time. The world is evolving. It's evolving with technology.
Yes.
It's evolving with new ideas. Social media have got the whole of these children's brain.
Yes.
Okay? No, for a parent, enough time for you as a parent, you know. Get that comfort level with your daughter or your son for them to open up to you and tell you whatever is on their mind and deal with you honestly. You have to deal with them on that level there. Just like how them brethren out the road call them brother.
Fully understand.
You have to do that sometimes to, as a parent to get that comfort. To get that comfort. So you do that.
Try pint down, you know.
Yeah, just when you get that, when you do that, my brother, you will receive more information from your children. Your children will more open to you. When you deal with them on a level of comfort, you understand? Because like I say, you have to realize, you know, enough of we the youth them spend more time in the school and with strangers than with their parents. So you can imagine how much influence is out there. The influence that is out there. You don't have that time to put on your children because you don't spend that time with them. Naturally.
Back in the past, my lives.
Yes, sir, me and say, so you have to learn to adjust. You have to adjust the thing so your youth them can be comfortable talking to you, feel comfortable expressing themselves to you freely. So sometimes you have to steer for them. You have to use for them terminology. Sometimes you have to use for them terminology just to communicate with them.
Yeah.
Anyway, fine, me understand that. But as me say, I'm going to say it again, I'm going to stop repeating because you and your friend them, whoever they are, slim all over the place, now go change my speech.
No, nobody not.
What I'm saying, you don't have sensible people. Decent people, you can, no, let me go overboard now.
Go on, man.
You don't have decent people. I call them, them like a 5-year-old brother. Them call them by the name. John, Miss Mary, or whatever.
Yeah, you tattoo.
So that's how we do them, yes, sir.
That's it.
So that's how we do them.
So we have a start.
Me not have none. Me not have none.
You don't have a you tattoo?
Yeah.
Why you have a tattoo?
Me animal.
You have a female tattoo?
No.
You don't have a daughter tattoo?
Not at all.
And you don't have a son
I just
tattoo?
myself tattoo.
So how you figure it understanding of what we are talking about?
Remember,
You are not going to get no understanding of what we are talking about. Oh, you are going to get it?
Remember, I mean,
Who are you live?
hold on. Remember, and me come up with the argument about me asking about brother, you know.
No, because you fight
So
against the word brother. And that's why you come up with it.
One thing me
because
know.
you don't like to see the whole way and live like a brother. You are fight it.
That's how like Palestine and Israel. And that's
Me say you are fight it anywhere you put it. You are one of them where you fight it.
Look here.
So you don't want to see a mother and a daughter live like two sisters. You don't want to see a father and a son and live like
no,
two
no,
brother. No, you don't want to see it. You are fighting.
No, you cannot pick me up.
You are better live it than that. You can get.
Hello, you cannot put words in my face, sir. Me no know
You
who you
put
is.
a lot in a few. You no longer there sit down and listen to you. You much you put in
Don't
a
put the words
few.
in my face. Don't do that.
So we be sit down and take words from you.
That boy.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
When time you much smaller, you ever pass somebody big on the road and not say man and you get beaten for it?
Hold on. Good question. When me small and I grow up, when me hit the street, whether me go to school, me not go to school and me go to bush, and me the elder, or even if the elder come over my place, me have to say good morning.
Well,
nowadays that not go on.
We figure out your
Nowadays
But
that.
what you had when me try to show you, you still there. This man, Bingy, make you know say there changes in time. But you're still there where you're there.
Changes in time,
still there where you're there now.
changes in time, I agree. But you know the changes will come what happen, right?
They can't change it.
It a fuck you, CQ, the WRA.
No, but you can't change it. You can't change
it. It's about change. Because you have some like a bastard girl, have some fitness, and them and them pick.
Johnny,
Oh,
what me talk about, you know?
Don't walk away
You're
from
talking
something.
about the problem, and you're right about the problem, you know. But what you're not doing is that creating a solution. We're giving you solutions.
Yes.
We're giving you solutions on how to deal with these young people as a parent.
Yes.
What you're doing, you're being stiff-headed because you're stuck in the past.
We don't talk
Yes, sir,
about
me
that.
say. Yeah, you're being stiff-headed because you're stuck in the past. When I try to tell us, you have to get flexible
Yes.
based on the times that we're living in today,
So you're not
and
gonna see
adjust
what
the
you-
things.
so everything I'm gonna get fucked up.
Yes,
Everything
Johnny,
will get fucked
But
up.
you already do Johnny, you know, see. Everything already done, brother.
Bastard girl name that we call a while ago. Say it again.
Me to say,
Yeah.
don't push down in my face, I tell you that before.
Say it
Don't,
again.
you say it. Because you are for your, out of your mouth, I'm going to get my video, not out of my mouth.
Let me ask you a question. What is a bastard? What is a bastard?
Not take them finna bastard.
Hold on, man. Let me ask you a question. What
And
is a
that you
bastard?
are look at.
Make we ask clear this. What is a bastard?
Me don't know.
What is a
Like the
bastard?
top foot girl then.
No, what them call a bastard?
Because you don't like girl.
Hold on, man. Because sometimes we use to say some things and we gone out of context, you know. What is a bastard?
Come. When they want to call them mixed breed and mixed race or whatever. But if you want to call them mixed breed and mixed race,
no.
what you call them?
A bastard is a person who is born out of wedlock.
And wedlock is what, sir?
If you're born when your parents are not married, then you're referred to as a bastard.
So most
So that is what's called a
Fine,
bastard.
fine.
So when you call people bastard,
Hold on.
You're a
Your mother and father married.
You're a bastard, you know.
One at a time, sir. So,
you problem in bastard. I never know it.
so most of the Jamaican are
Listen,
bastard.
your mother and father did married when you born.
Me no have no mother and father. Me come from a different.
Where you come from?
Yeah, so I forget him a yellow before.
No.
So you never tell him. You never inform him.
tell we today. Tell the world today where you come from. Me never know say you no come from a mother, otherwise I last year this me a talk to you.
No, it depends about mother.
Yeah.
I'm talking about different.
Nothing fucking different from we. Go on where you go.
They come from different planets.
Wait. Which planet?
Oh, me student
You
is-
come from a woman womb like me.
I said planet.
A man you born here, you know. You a man born you.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Me don't like question that come. Me never said that in the history yet.
You
So
is the only one.
No, but
You
your
is
planet, we
the
don't know
only
what on your
one.
planet.
So you never heard of other planets away from Earth?
Yeah,
planet?
but
No, Earth planet me know about. What you talking about here?
Which one are you
Me know about Earth.
Saturn of our from?
Yeah.
I wouldn't know.
Then you know can't ban from man then. What go on a Saturn?
Yeah,
Me no know. What go on a
What
Saturn?
you need to know that.
Me no live there. Me come from Earth. Earth me want to know about.
Slow down now. Slow down.
Hey,
Slow down.
hey.
If you only interested in a what take place on your planet Earth, you're making a sad mistake.
No, not all.
You're making a
Me not be know what go on up your backyard, you know.
my backyard.
Hey. What me want to know what go on in your backyard for?
Hold on, man.
What reason for me want to know that?
So how you reach? How you come up with the word in my backyard, sir?
Your planet. Your planet. Me study my planet, me no need to study yours.
But the funny, you know the strange thing about that?
Hey.
Me study both planet. Your planet and my planet.
You want to know what go on in my backyard? Exactly want to know what go on in my backyard. No worry yourself, man. You think you're
No, but
smart?
yeah, well, we not have to get vice around. Look here, what really going on for your planet? Don't you well look something?
Actually, everything will take place on your planet.
No, I don't believe you.
No,
Hold on. No, you can't.
Actually.
No, you
No,
can't.
actually. We want to hear what happened.
Hello, can
Where
I
actually I go?
can I answer the gentleman, sir?
No.
Do we have the
Hold
same?
on.
Do we have the same
So are
faces?
you alone on speedometer?
No.
Aspin.
No.
Johnny, do we have the same faces like your people?
Not in all cases.
Yeah.
Not in all cases.
Also,
So you're trying to say, Johnny, you say the young people, them are careless people. Them. So that's what you're trying.
No, I
you're
wouldn't
trying
say
to put
young people are careless. I'm not like that. Because you have parents, you will never hear them come out and I say, brother, look how long me say you got the shop. Look how long me say you got to say Bingy Serere. You're not gonna have some parents with that.
Now those are
statement.
mature parents who are educated about being parents,
Yeah.
and have some idea about to be a parent.
Yeah.
Yes, but what I'm going talking about
So
is
you-
majority of these youths who are having children is youths have
But
youths, you know. So it's having a big impact on the world how the younger generation them are raised up today, because if you look at the statistics out there, most of these youths who are becoming pregnant nowadays, the average even 12 years old nowadays.
Fine, but-
you understand? So how could they become a good parent in terms of knowing how to conduct and talk to their parents,
Exactly.
their children properly? It's for us to, as elders, to teach them, but not bash them and call them bastards.
Hold
and
on,
call them all
hold
that.
on. Me know you're upset right now. But you up at your home. Me I told you now. And you send Indy down at our grandfather. And Indy go down and mess around and 5 minutes and she come back. You're not gonna use the term but the word where they talk about say, brother, wait this so long. You're not gonna use that to Indy, right?
I am very calm with her
No,
sometimes.
no, you're not gonna use the word brother. No, hold on. You're not gonna use the word brother. Say wait this so long.
no, it's
Indy.
not a
She a
must.
girl.
It's not a must. It's not a must.
No.
You're
Me,
gonna use it.
hello, I'm doing what
It's not a
Yo,
must.
she says she's a girl. If we have a boy picnic, probably I'm raise him like a, because I want to raise my boy. I'm
Like a man. Yeah, you don't wanna
So if it's a boy
like
picnic,
that.
I'm going to refer to
You
him.
see me?
Yo, what brother, what to you?
But
Just like
what
how
me
me
I say?
say. It's my son and some deal with what brother, we are dealing brother.
Is that, look here, me I try get to the point. So me I go left off of the parents them we call them people them brother. And me I work with Johnny and I say well, the what you call the person them we deal with them people them.
Bastards.
No, the big guy family we deal with them people, picking them with principal and something. Where you just say that? Oh, them what?
Answer me, please.
No, me I say for your people them what you say man,
Not my
who deal with them people.
No,
them picnic good. What you call them?
You have some people.
Responsibility.
Very
So
responsible.
do the person with the responsibility,
Yeah.
who talk to his kids good, and the one that talk to his kid bad, does the one who talk to his kid good come out better than the other kid?
and you asking me a question. Hold on. You asking me a question, I go answer you. But when you ask me like your friend them want to set me up, you know, and that me I tell you. Because you do have...
You know, if you set up yourself for the answer.
Where you come from?
Yo, see, I point this right now, you know.
Yes.
This is the point, you know.
What you learn?
At the point this. At the point this.
Yeah, just
At the
set
point.
up yourself, man.
Answer the point. Make you answer.
Anyway, you do have parents. Parents who claim that they are this and they are that. With them kids and them don't talk to them kids in a rough way, everything good together. And you have some parents who have some bad kids with us then. And in a real life, you have some of these kids who with us are bad kids turn out better than the good people kids them. That's your ask, right? Simple.
Yo,
So
me not tell lie. Me get mad at-
what I'm saying?
Me, as a parent, and me get mad and tell me picking them all bad word. What you no call bad word?
Of course.
I would clear to look at me I call no.
Me too.
Me do that. I'm not afraid to tell nobody say me do that.
You know what me need you to do?
A word, sound and power.
Take out this one.
In a real life, that make you know that shit.